Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Google reviews to Wix website. So let's go to the browser first and write here socialablekit.com. This one. You can see the here socialablekit.com. Now click on continue as your name, or if you don't have any account yet, you have to create a register account first. After that, you will find this widget. You have to click on create widget. Now you'll find here this type. You have to find the Google reviews, then choose this map. Okay, choose the map and click on next. It is loading, so hold on. Now click on I understand. Hold on, it's still loading. You can see that it is saying we'll notify you via mail once Google reviews feed is ready. So we're gonna click on this embed on Wix. Click on your website builder. You have to choose Wix. Now click on copy link, like I'm showing you again. Choose website builder. You will find this interface first. After click on this. Okay, now you have to click on Wix or choose Wix. Then you can copy this link and then you can cross this one and go to your website editor. Now click on this plus option, add elements. Now you'll find here embed code. Click on this embed code. Then you can see here embed a site. Click on this. Now you have to position it. Let it down till the last, or I can do it here. After that, you can make it big with the mouse. Okay, now click on enter website address, and now you have to paste that URL what you have copied from there. Now click on apply. Now here you can see that your website, your review has been updated. Okay, you can make it big and see like this. So this is how you can add Wix Google reviews to Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.